Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can connect or access your remote Windows machine which is most probably installed on a VPS or on a server, and how you can connect it using remote desktop from your local Windows machine. So let's begin the video. For this, all you need is your Windows machine which has an active internet connection, because we are going to use a tool which this Windows machine already has. Secondly, if your remote Windows machine has Windows Home, then you cannot use this method. However, most probably if it is installed on the server, then it may have Windows Enterprise or Windows Server, and in that case remote desktop from our local machine to that remote Windows machine will work. Anyways, let's move towards our local machine and let me show you how you can establish a remote desktop connection. Here I am on my local Windows machine, and first of all make sure internet is connected to your local machine. Now in order to connect to our remote Windows machine via remote desktop, you don't have to do anything or install any third-party software. Just click on the Windows icon, type remote, and you will see this remote desktop connection. Just open it. Here you will see right here remote desktop connection, and we can also click on the show options button as well. First of all, let me show you other menus and then we will come here. If you go to display, you have the option to see in which resolutions you want to be connected to your virtual machine or your remote machine. I am going to select full screen. You have local resources like remote audio, keyboard, experience, and so on, so you can play with these settings. However, the important settings are in general, so you need to enter your computer name as an example they are showing. So most probably if you have bought your remote Windows machine from a server provider, they will provide you with an IP address of the machine, a username of the machine, and a password for the machine. So for the IP address, you need to enter your remote Windows machine IP address right here. After that, for the username, you will enter whatever they have provided, and after that we can click on connect. Additionally, you can save your settings on your local machine, so you don't have to re-enter these details again and again. So I am going to enter the IP address of my remote Windows machine and its username. Click on connect. Now here you need to enter the password to connect to your remote Windows machine. Again, these details will be provided to you by your administrator or server provider. Click on OK. And here you can see I am connected to my Windows machine via remote desktop. On the top you can see my machine's IP which I have blurred, and yeah, this is it. So this is how simple it is to do so. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe